Pop-up electrical box assemblies are designed to be installed flush with the ground, offering a convenient way to access electrical power when needed. These assemblies can be raised using a lever or pedal, providing access to electrical outlets, switches, and connectors located below the surface. For the specified application requiring a box capable of handling car or snowplow traffic and able to connect to a temporary 200 amps panel, several options are available. Firstly, Pelican Products offers the 2500 series electrical pop-up box assembly. This option is known for being durable and weather-resistant, with a capacity of up to 200 amps. Secondly, Hubble Power Connectivity provides the EnviroGuard pop-up box assembly, which is designed to provide protection from water and debris, also with a capacity of up to 200 amps. These pop-up boxes come with additional features to enhance safety and usability. One such feature is locking mechanisms, which can be included to prevent unauthorized access to the electrical connections. Another feature is ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, which can be integrated into the box to provide protection from electrical shocks. Some assemblies also come pre-wired with connectors for easy installation, streamlining the setup process. The installation process involves several steps. 1. Excavate a hole deep enough to accommodate the pop-up box assembly. 2. Connect the conduit from the electrical room to the box assembly. 3. Install the box assembly and secure it in place. 4. Backfill the hole and compact the soil to ensure stability. To use the pop-up box, when needed, raise the lid of the box using the lever or pedal. Then connect the temporary 200 amps panel to the connectors inside the box. After use, lower the lid and lock the assembly to secure it and protect it from the elements and unauthorized access. It is important to ensure that the chosen box assembly is rated for the necessary amperage and voltage requirements to safely handle the intended load. Also, consider the weight and traffic load that the pavers will be subjected to, ensuring that the box and surrounding area can withstand the pressure. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician for proper installation and to address any safety precautions. Remember to adhere to all local electrical codes and regulations during installation and use. By using a pop-up electrical box, a safe and convenient solution for temporary power needs can be achieved, even in high traffic areas.